welcome to a new Transformers knockoff review. As you can see, there's a familiar box. It's the knockoff MPM Ratchet. This one is in his Age of Extinction color. So let's re-review him. You've got box, we open box. Okay, let's go. Now you can see the green on him. Up and these two are under. Cool. So as you can see, there's green and that's his Age of Extinction look. Same vehicle mode, different color. And same transformation, of course. Okay, we've got that out. Of course, you've got his gun, his buzzer, and Ratchet himself in that nice green and white paint scheme. I really love how it looks. It's better than the original one. So it's the exact same mold as the MPM figure, but from a knockoff company. I think the paint job looks really good with its Age of Extinction paint scheme with that green and white. I really love how it looks, except the turtleback. It's still here. This is the exact same mold as the MPM one, so yeah, all of them have turtlebacks, including this guy, which is also from the same company that made this. So yeah, they're all repainted. Nah, nothing to see. They're like really similar. They both have the turtleback, and they have the exact same weapons, the buzzer, the gun, just in a different paint job. And these two are just the same. So yeah, there isn't much of a difference between the knockoff one. I couldn't compare him with the MPM figure because currently he's in his box and I don't know where I put him. But another figure I can compare him with is the DMK Iron Warrior. The Ratchet Eye. This one is really accurate. I just wish the paint job was green. I really love the green paint job on Ratchet. I think it fits him the most. But look here, this figure looks really accurate, more accurate than the MPM. It is really ironic how Hasbro make the figures, but they don't make them as good as this. Ratchet's vehicle mode is an upgraded Hummer H2 search and rescue vehicle. Yeah, there isn't much about it. So let's retransform this medical officer Ratchet. Now after getting these out of the way, let's transform. That's strong. Okay, let's pull this up. Pull this up. Turn this around. Down. This you have to turn it the other way and then just tap it in right here. Ta-da! You got the first step finished. Now you do the same thing to the other side. Now we got the lights connected. Now let's disconnect the turtleback. Okay, just untap it, like so. Get up. Push this up. Push this up. And ta-da! You've got the back finished. Let's do now the front. What you must do is just disconnect these two, or like hinge them out, like so. And then push the bumper upward, like so. Now you must turn this head around. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, Ratchet cooperated. Now his face is turned around. Now we come down here. So let's disconnect this, the front, and then now we have to turn this piece like so. Now I've got this. Now we're coming down to the legs. Push this down. Now we're doing the legs. First thing, you need to close this, pull this back, close this little piece. So you open this, push this up. turn this, push the foot down, like so, turn it around, and I forgot to do the hip, just turn that around too. Yeah. Okay, now you got that done, you must push this. But before we continue with the legs, we need to do the arms. So what you must do is curl it up like so, and then push this up, move the, come on, move the door, the driver's side door. Okay, come on, like so, ta-da. Okay, now we push this in. Now let's do the same thing with the other arm. Now I've got the front bumper officially finished. We put the door, push this. Oh yeah, and the tires, you see this little tab right here, you just tab it in. Stays in place. Really good. The window, it's a bit stubborn, but I can work with it. Okay, turn on, we get that. And there's this little piece here, which you tab in right there. Come on, you windshield. This little plastic piece is really stubborn. Yes, it's in! It's in, finally. Okay, push this in. Now let's do the. Okay, this is going great. Okay, tap that in again. Now check the other side, check if it's good. Everything's great on the other side. So let's push the legs forward, like so. Okay, then push this little piece. Ta-da! I've got the first side finished. Now we do the mess, which is the other side. Oops. Okay, so this was messing this up. What happened to the other side? Oh wait, I just pushed it up. Oh, are you kidding me? This just keeps on getting loose. We're almost finished. I push this in. Now is everything good except the front? Okay, and ta-da! We have Ratchet finished in his Hummer H2 upgraded Hummer H2 vehicle mode. It looks really nice with the green and the white front. I really think green suits him the most. In his vehicle mode, his length is around 18 centimeters long. His width is 8 centimeters long. And his height is around 8 centimeters tall. So yeah, this is the dimensions of his vehicle mode. So let's get him back into his robot mode. Let's start with the transformation again. Okay, I think I should do the light slash because I'm not fragile. We push this out of the way. We untap the wheels, the tires, I guess. We push this forward. Okay, then we turn this around like so. Then we turn around Ratchet's head. We got that. It all looks like a mess. So now let's untap the back part. So we can do the legs. Okay, we got that ready. Now we're gonna do the legs. We turn the hip. Turn the hip. Okay, we've got the legs done. Transforming him into his robot mode is much more simpler than vehicle mode. Okay, now let's turn this up. Now let's turn this. Turn the hand. I'll just have that in later. Which means right now. Come on. Okay, we got that. We move this up. And you got that. Now we do the same thing to the other side. Oh, and I forgot to do the thing with the tires. Move them to the back. Okay, move this. Ta-da! This looks much more better. Okay, now we must do the turtle back. I wish the turtle back wasn't a turtle back, but an actual back. It looks so good. But sadly no. Okay, now you move this to the back. And here we have him in his robot mode. Far way easier than transforming him into his vehicle mode. I gotta tell you that. This figure honestly looks really good. Now I'm gonna have to measure his dimensions. I forgot to do that. So he is around 22 centimeters long. Yeah, I find that really reasonable. I love the paint job. I love everything about this mold except the turtle back. Why? So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bells so you know whenever I make an episode. See you guys next time. Peace out. Stay safe.